So I wanted to give a quick little tip to those that use the table foiler. I wanted to say that I have a little suggestion to make. A problem that I always have with this is that you see all the sticky on the tape here? This tends to stick to the top of this. So you're always kind of tugging on it when you're trying to foil a piece of glass. So my little suggestion is to cut a piece of a wax paper ring out the same size as your foil. And I put this down first, and then my foil, sorry, I'm doing this one-handed, over top of it. And then it allows it to spin freely and it doesn't get bound up and stick to the top of the surface here. So I hope that helps some people out, and thanks so much for watching.